So right now the ship is in the Kingdom of Tonga. And we're just getting ready to sail out to Horizon Deep, which is the deepest point in the Tonga Trench. So the Tonga Trench for us is a big one because it's the second deepest trench in the world. It's a subduction trench, so it's where two tectonic plates meet each other. And in this case, 10,810 meters deep. The data we're going to collect is multifaceted. First of all, we're going to map it. Second thing is we're making a lot of recordings of water mass movements. And then we'll get lots of wonderful video data of the seafloor from the submarine. So that'll be transects of habitat and species that normally don't move around. Quite often we see many species that will live in these trenches but nowhere else. So one of the big questions is, how do they get from one to the other? Do they get from one to the other? How did they end up going so deep? Why would you go that deep when all the food is on the surface? So that's one of the questions, how are they doing it? So where the Tonga Trench expedition bolts on to the Nova Canton one is, one was a fracture zone and one's a trench. There's been theories circulating around about the role in which the trench plays in the sudden change of species from the abyssal plains into the trench. So then we can start disentangling what's a function of just depth or temperature and what's a function of seismics and the shape of the seafloor. We're at that sort of frontier now. There is no other information to go on in terms of statistical sampling at these depths or what we even expect to find at these depths. It's good not having anything to lean on because that means we're pushing into something no one's done before.